like the Russians and we're the U.S.
We're like the Mexicans and y'all like the white guys. They're trying to build the wall to keep me out, and so we're at war. Then why am I here?
We're rewriting history
because
right
we
now.
let you come over here.
We're like,
Damn, what did you do? Let me see it. Nah, let me see. What the hell?
Did you get that? That's a wrap. There he goes. Oh shoot! Are you good? Oh shoot! Are you good? Oh! Morning, baby. Good morning, baby. Good morning, baby. Good morning, baby.
Oh.
Hey, yo, what
Is it? Shave it now. You gotta shave my back now.
Oh.
That's y'all's fault.
Ooh.
Oh.
It was just
brush my... Only a girl with a dog can love, fam.
About to summon the Tesla. It's over there, right there. Go outside, let's go outside. What if it hits the car? Bro, look at it. Look at it, look at it. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Over here. It says summon is stopping. What do you mean? I can't believe the Tesla came to me. Thank you so much. You parked out of your parking spot. Stupid car. You're supposed to go over there, you idiot. If we all seatbelts on, bro, we aren't gonna die.
Hey, if I tuck and roll, will I die?
Yeah, I'm out.
All right, bye, Alan.
You gotta hop on.
I do not want to die right now.
Calm down, you're alive!
Why is this thing so hot back here?
I feel like he's not
that's
building.
what I think it is. The seat warmers.
Seat warmers, bro.
It is, right? I knew it. Am I getting that nervous? I was like,
You made my butt warm.
Oh, I think I broke the couch. It's literally broken now.
What did you break the couch?
gosh, you gotta be kidding.
Dude, this couch was expensive. I waited 4 months for this. Stupid couch. I hate
Get off the couch.
Oh! Hell no!
Chill. No. I have to be back right here.
It's all alcohol, guys. Get a towel. Hey, get a towel.
It's just like starts fucking spazzing out.
I burned the house down vlog.
Hold up, bro. You scared?
I am
Is that what
scared,
you should live life to the fullest because life is so short.
But that's Logan Paul right there behind the camera. Well, let me step on your shoes real quick and buy you new ones. Shout out legit Tim. Hey. Ready?
It was crazy.
I know I didn't win because my cart was slow, bro.
Oh, Larry!
No, yeah, I totally can say
Sexual consent.
Hell yeah. You want to see me take my pants off? Or I ain't taking my fucking pants off. What are you talking about? Justin Bieber was down too. Yeah. Fucked up, but it was good though.
That freaking gun, bro. He's gonna protect you, girl.
How are you on steroids, but you haven't lost your hair yet?
I'm not on steroids. It's just genetics.
Kill him, he has corona.
Give me your watch.